Chairman jangka Regional Committee penbetpo nak kementak ke West Khasi Hills bak Pol Lyngdoh hak pratari unailar ula ong ba ke komiti kan persang ban Wanrah ya ki jaka bat ki Shnong ba Shong ki breu jongi kinyo ban wan phai biang se Meghalaya ya kani ulah kran harian ka jengalang jangki komiti penbetpo jangka Meghalaya bat Assam kerpang nak kebentak kalang pi sektor ke balong hak pratari unailar hapo nong ba Guwahati nak kebentak ke Kamrup district jangka Sarkar Assam ya ke komiti layalam da Menteri Forest Department Chandra Mohan Patwari rengkat ki ofisar bat ki dekhot ke komiti.
Ngidang syudap mentan ya ke jingikran ke balane bahas kita sideng jong ki atli ki regional committee halor ke jingakni put apreng ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya bat kumpa kipai bakin ken mau kani gede kekam ke ba ngi beteng benta benta ba ar ne ke phase 2 jong ka jingi kren hadin jong ke MOU beteng ki art lagi jela bala sain harusnya araja ar we de menta ke singi ke jingi kren ya ke ba nilayo angni ha Guwahati kalong ke ba seiso bat kebayat kelenti ke badai ya kejingnya kan nak yang jong kerjala jong ni alai lam ya ke kenun kubu chairman jong ke regional committee ke badai bat ke West Khasi Hills bat kerpang ya ke langpi sektor kejingnya kan ladan langru ki MLA ki bakentot ya ba Methodius Dakar ba Renekton Tongkar mantahu ba Remington Moment Pak Pajak Pengro Pak Jigur Mertong DC West Khasi Hills SP ADC kita mikmat ya ke West Khasi Hills District ya ke meeting la chair dahu Minister in charge jong forest jong ke jela Assam bolong ru Chairman jong ka Regional Committee na benda ka Kamrup District Mr. Chandra Mohan Patwari aga jingidon rengkat jong ki officers jong ka jela Assam gentuk ya ka DC padu SP jong ka Kamrup District ka jingikran kalayat bed pat kalayat hakalenti ka ba ngasngo kadon shibun ka jingkermen bangila ban Wanrah ya ke final solution ya kani kajing ya kani put pat kajing shoms ear kajong kipat ba kita kaput de ni kabangila yang jur kalong ba kabeningkong kindan ki Shnong kitau ya ka bangin submit ya ka list syaka Assam ban kam bagi day kita Shnong ban tikna bagi day Shnong kiba nasyong Shnong deki brio ki jongi bat kiba kidairu ki voters jong ka Meghalaya bat kidairu ki jaga kiba ka sarkar Meghalaya kalat he shubun ki scheme limpak ini ki sistem berada dap borok bat ya kita ngi community bahkan boy syagaba kinyo pan penpai ki syaga jela Meghalaya kapa ar kolong ba nilai breakthrough ba kidon ki problem areas kiba saat sedang tu bat ni dali kiba kadang don kajinya tan telai apa kajinya kam try joki atli ki jela bat hari ni ke benda ni la ikut bangin identify ya kini ki problem areas daga pa ai ka tangi ki Shnong bat ka map ki jongki bat ya kini en rapat ke meeting ka banlong hadin jong ka sengi Lyngdoh ka bamon hadin jong ka khat santrik mentau benai ka banlong Shillong di kabalai kalau berantara dep ye kita kikam baro kini ki art ligi regional committee kinlet Syah katai katahan lampi Banjengok ia katuk ani Shnong di badan keniga jingya bat bangin ia kenduk iki nong sensyar Shnong bat kumju ipai ba nong Shnong jong kita kitahan digana keniga deka bami naga jing keren kabalong mentah resmi bat kebadam syukur mentan Jepang. Regional committees on boundary dispute between Assam and Meghalaya in the West Khasi Hills and more specifically in the Langpi sector met today at Guwahati under the chairmanship of Mr. Chandra Mohan Patowari, Honorable Minister in Charge, Forests and other departments in the government of Assam, who is also the chairman of the regional committee of the Kamrup district, and he was accompanied by senior officials of the government of Assam, including the DC and the SP of Kamrup district and officials of the forest department. On the Meghalaya side, as chairman of the regional committee West Khasi Hills, I had led the group and was accompanied by MLAs like Pa Renington Tongkhar, Mr. Methodius Dakhar, Mr. Remington Momen, and MDCs Mr. Pajok Pungru and Jigur Brathong, and also the DC and SP and the ADM West Khasi Hills district. So the discussions were very fruitful and there was a spirit of mutual accommodation, and we zeroed in on a few initiatives which the committee would take. One is in response to the claim by the committee that I had led from Meghalaya. The government of Assam was very receptive to the idea that we would first submit the list of problem-free areas where residents of those areas are all inclined to remain in Meghalaya, have been voting as registered voters of Meghalaya, and where the Meghalaya government has been carrying out developmental activities for the past several decades. We are looking forward to seeing that these areas can be legally transferred to Meghalaya, and that possibility is a very distinct possibility which I assure the people of the state through the active cooperation of the government of Assam that we will be in a position to resolve at the earliest. Two, we have also agreed that there are certain areas which are still problem areas, but we will work out a mutually acceptable solution, and for which the committee would meet in Shillong post August 15. Three, after the 2 points have been taken care of, the regional committees will undertake a joint visit of the Langpi sector and interact with all stakeholders, including the local representatives, traditional heads, and also members of the public. So briefly, this is the outcome of today's meeting, and we are optimistic that the lumpy sector and problems associated with it would become a thing of the past very soon.